can communicate with today. So today, let me ask you a honest question. Are you scared that AI will replace your job as a developer? If you are learning Python, data science, or software development, you have probably seen headlines AI will replace programmers, developers are no longer needed, and it creates fear. Yeah. So in this video, I will explain you what AI is actually changing in developers' job, who is at risk and who is not, and most important, how you can stay safe and value in the AI era. So no hype, no fear, just reality. Here's the biggest lie being spread online that AI will replace all developers. That's false. Because AI will not replace developer, AI will replace developer who don't think. AI is very good at writing basic code, generating boilerplate, fixing syntax error. But AI is terrible at understanding business problem, making trade-off decision, communicating with human, taking ownership of outcome. And companies don't have people to write syntax, they have people to solve problems. Let's be honest, some roles are at risk. Developers who only copy paste code, don't understand logic, can't explain their work, depend fully on tutorial, and avoid learning fundamental. So if your entire value is I can write basic code, then yes, AI is a threat because AI can already do that. Now let's talk about who is safe. Developer who understand why they write code can break down problem, work with data and systems, communicate with team, use AI as a tool, not a crutch. These developers become more valuable, not less. Why? Because AI increases their speed, not replaces their thinking. Think of AI as a powerful assistant, not a replacement brain. Here's what changing in real job. Less important on memorizing syntax, writing everything from scratch. More importance on system designing thinking, data understanding, debugging and optimization, explaining decision, business impact. The role is shifting from code writer to problem solver with code. And that's a good thing. If you want to stay safe in the AI era, focus on this five rule. Rule number one, master fundamental. So Python logic, data structure, basic of system. AI is useless if you don't understand what it gives you. Rule number two, learn to explain your code. If you can't explain it, you don't own it. Interview and promotion depend on communication, right? Now, rule number three, use AI daily but smartly. Use AI to debug, learn concept, and improve code, not to blindly copy. Rule number four, build real project that solve business problem, data problem, and automation problem, not like a toy app. Rule number five, think like a professional. Ask why we are building this. What problem does it solve? What's the impact? That mindset makes you irreplaceable. Now, how what avoid which what mistakes you should avoid, right? So, fighting AI, ignoring AI, depending fully on AI, chasing every new tool, panicking about the future. Fear makes people freeze, clarity makes people grow. So, AI is not the end of developer jobs, it's the end of lazy learning. If you combine Python plus AI tool plus problem solving plus communication, right? So you won't just survive, you will grow faster than ever before. So if you want a clear roadmap to become job ready in this AI driven world, comment roadmap or check the link in the description. Subscribe for weekly content on Python, AI, data science, and tech career. Thank you very much.